Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Welcome to another Unstoppable TV quick flash update. So people, me have a video where was sent to me directly after accident in Prairie Center. And people, when me tell you say this is horrific, it is horrific. Like if your stomach not strong, you can't watch this. It is so horrible that me can't even show no a little snippet on YouTube. People may talk about foot they over there so, body they over there so. The next person foot them twist up like so. People, it is seriously gruesome. People, listen me. Me have the video footage, can't upload it to YouTube, but me gonna make you hear the little audio of it. But if you want to see the video, you can send me a DM upon Unstoppable TV over there at Instagram at Unstoppable TV, and I will send you the video through DM. Me can't upload it to Instagram either, so you have to DM me. Send me a DM and I will send it to you. Listen the audio, people. Jano.
Nah, live a blood clot. I'll leave chat there. Come on. One foot. See that foot over there. See this foot over there. Rasta. Rasta eat food. Bombo clot, brother. Bombo clot. Bombo clot. Man is upon you know. Man is upon you cat. It's the gas tank you know. Yo, the move on the floor. Yo, the move fire stop and explode pound. See safety better about. On the move for us, boy. Move for us and explode pound. No idiot. Bombo clot, real blood clot sitting down a prairie. Bombo clot.
Alright, people wanna hear from that, right? I'm sorry for the little curse word them when I eat, but believe me, people me did have to make you hear exactly how gruesome it is. Me gone, 1 minute update. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now you and we unstoppable.